All right, opening kickoff game 3, I think, maybe 4. Good, how you doing?
A photographer or something. You're getting a lot of practice. Yeah, Keisha. Hi there. Hey, kiddo, how you doing?
How are you, Pete?
Good, good.
Good.
Well, I tell you what, this is like a puzzle out here. I just got to look for you guys.
Yeah, well, this is always Ryan's field, so he's easy once you
He's
learn.
always on this field.
This field, yep, the whole season.
Oh, okay.
Get it, Ryan, get it!
Jackson!
Get it, Jackson!
Up the field, Jackson!
Nice!
Hey,
Get it, Ryan!
Hustle, buddy.
Good job.
Awesome, Jackson!
All right, get ready.
Good boot, Jackson.
All right, Jack, sweep first. Oh, never mind.
Jackson, go to the goal.
Jackson, to the goal. Ryan, kick it straight to the goal, buddy.
Take it hard.
Right at the goal. All the way to the goal. Try to squirt.
Go, go, go.
Go, Ryan. Go in there.
Go
All
for it,
right,
Rudy.
all right, good. Hustle.
Get it, Jack.
Okay, take it, Ryan.
Take it,
Yeah,
Ryan.
I didn't realize that
There you go.
Ryan's only about 7 or 8 pounds less than Dylan. I didn't
Yeah.
realize it was that close.
Yeah, they're close.
Hey, Bridgie.
Good job, Ryan.
Any score yet?
No, not yet. They just started a minute ago.
Hey. They have some big kids in there.
Got anything on the bridge over there yet? Open it
No,
up.
I don't think so. We didn't walk over there, but
I told you guys 3 times.
hustle back, Ryan. Ryan, hustle back.
Back,
Hustle back, Ryan.
Lock it, lock it. All right, there you go.
Get it, Jackson. Go, Jackson. Good, Jackson. Kick it in, Jackson. Kick it straight in.
Oh,
Good hustle, Jackson. Take it, Ryan. Ryan, dribble through. Dribble through, Ryan.
You got it, Ryan.
this parking lot's totally full. That one across the street over there at in front of the
Jack, make sure you stay back.
like Staples place, right, Office Depot.
Yeah.
Over there. That thing is full too. It's a
Oh, wow.
tremendous-
Ryan, turn around. Look at the ball, Ryan.
Watch the ball.
Don't just pick the ball up.
Go get it, Jackson.
Go ahead.
Get it, Ryan.
All right, all right, all right.
Good job, bud. Yeah, it's crazy right now. We got lucky. We got a spot right over here.
Oh, did you got? Well, you got it early though, didn't you? You kind of
A few minutes early, yeah.
with the jam.
There were the other
jammed up?
teams were leaving.
Wake
Jack,
up! Wake up! Block it! Block it! Block it!
Good,
That's
Ryan.
Good.
good job, Ryan.
Good block. Good block.
Good job, Jack. Ryan, turn around.
Yeah, this field's in pretty good shape, actually. I thought with the rain and stuff, might be a little soggy out.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, the field is damaged in the middle, but apart from that, it is pretty good. Good, Jack. Good hustle, Ryan. Ryan, dribble it. Dribble it out, bud.
Buddy, how you doing?
Get it, Ryan. Dribble out. Go get it, you guys. Go get it. Ryan, pressure. Step in there, Ryan. Good job, Ryan. Ryan, step closer. Step up. Step up.
Stand by me. Go in. Come stand by me. You're up next. Okay, look at these guys. Pay your mark. Pay attention. Pay attention. Jack, you ready? Ryan, go down the field.
There, take it, Ryan.
Go, go, go! Keep going, keep going.
Turn around, right? Get it. Take it, Jackson. Go fast, Jackson. Boot it, buddy. Kick it in. Ryan, step in. Step in. Hustle back, Ryan. Jack, turn around, Jack.
Jack! Oh, no.
Good hustle, you guys. Good hustle, you guys. No. Yeah.
3.5 minutes. Let's go, Cody. Go, bud.
Good job. Good hustle. So Ryan,
Score some goals, Cody.
Ryan, come here.
Cody,
Cody,
go, bud. You gotta score a goal.
Okay. Go, Cody, go!
How much time for it?
Go, Cody!
3 minutes.
3 minutes. This is the first half.
Go, get it, Cody!
Run, Cody!
Rico! Come on!
Back it! Block it! Okay.
Rico! Rico! Ball in the ball! You had some good breakaways, right? When you're that far out, you know what? Hold on, buddy. When you're that far out, you can kick it in.
That's all right.
Hold on, buddy.
These kids are fast, so when you get past midfield, you can shoot, right, Ed?
Okay, so you go ahead and take it out.
Yeah, that's
Got
right.
it?
We're all here.
Yes, sir. Okay. Get that ball, Nico!
Good, Nico.
Kick it out!
Good, Nico. Good, buddy.
Side, right? No, Cody. In here. Mark, other side. Run to the other side. Run to the other side. No. Ready?
Boot it. Nice.
Go get it, Cody. Go to it. Where you go? Get it, Cody. Other way.
Other way, Cody. Dribble back. Boot it out, Nico. Good, Nico.
Nice.
Keep going. Keep going.
Good, Cody. Good.
Keep going.
Good hustle, boys.
Get there, Cody. Good job, bud.
Good hustle. Good job. Watch the ball. Mark, inside.
It's like a box of chocolates.
Every game. Yeah.
You know what you got.
You don't never know. You never know.
Forrest Gump said.
Good, Nico.
Let's go, Code. Run fast, buddy.
There you go,
Run,
Cody.
run,
Good.
Keep going.
Good job.
Good job, Cody.
You gotta make it. Uh-oh, it's out, Cody. It's out. So you gotta make a cut back.
1 minute.
in.
Cody, back on D, bud.
Cody,
Fridgie, back on D, bud.
Turn around, Cody. There you go.
Cody, go. Go get it, Cody.
Okay, block it. Block it.
Good, you guys.
Yeah, I was gonna be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if
Cody, to the side, babe. Try again, Nico.
There you go. Good.
Go get it, Mark. Go. Cody, help him. Get
There you go,
that,
Cody. Good, Cody.
There you go, Cody.
Good, Cody. Good. Way to use your body, Cody. Good, Cody. Stay on him. Stay on him, Cody. Good. Good work, you guys.
Yeah, that's pretty much quarter.
You got like 10 seconds. But
10 seconds.
10. That's quarter. All right, come sit